Okay, so we've got our pick random function now. Let's just fill out the surname as well. So we get a load of random surnames. And I just want to point out now that we're not actually using this item in our array. And in fact, it's just going to come through with undefined all the time. So if we're not using a parameter, we could just do this and just give it an arrow function with no parameters coming in. We just disregard it completely. Sometimes people also use an underscore just to signify that, oh, something is being given to us, but we're not going to use it. So either way, let's go with this. And so now we come to locations. And locations is slightly different because now we want a random set, so, or a random, array of random items. And so first, I mean, we could just, again, like pick random and locations. Maybe we want like there always to be up to 2 locations. I mean, I guess that kind of makes sense. Let's just format this correctly. So let's see if that's helped us. We've got 2 locations here, 2 locations. So we can use the same technique as we have done to build this original array by using the array.from and then passing in a length. And this length is going to need to be random as well. So let's say we want up to 3 locations. So we could use math.random times 3. But again, we want it to be an integer, so we could math.floor, but do we want there to be 0 locations? I think we always want there to be at least 1 location. So what we can use is ceil, and that will do the opposite of floor, and it will always round up. If we reformat this, we can probably see better. Okay, so that's our old array. We could now map over that, and we will pick random locations. So for every item in that array, we will randomly pick one of the locations. Okay, so let's see what that comes out as. So there's 2 in this one, there's 3 in that one, and there's 2 in this one, and 3 in that one. Cool. Great. So this is how you can create an array with using pick random inside that array.